How to assemble a folding platform cart. Step 1. Prepare. A platforms cart is normally constructed from 3 main parts. An extra large platform works well on 300 kilograms goods. A set of 4-wheel casters that are anti-slip TPR. A total of 16 steel bolts and nuts. Step 2. Attaching wheels. Attaching each wheel to the bottom side of the platform cart. Remember, there are 2 different types of wheels. The static wheels are placed in the front. The free-moving wheels are placed in the back where it connects to the handle. Step 3. Tighten nuts and bolts. Insert the nuts and bolts into the holes. Tighten up the bolts with the accompanying wrench. Step 4. Flip up. Once assembled, go ahead and flip your platform cart over, wheels face down. Step on handle release located at the base of the handle to unfold. Checking the wheels movement. Now the cart is ready to use for all the heavy-duty works, such as office, restaurant, warehouse or other industrial handling tasks. Thank you for watching and welcome all business customers to connect us.
Whatever, hand truck manufacturer.